Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a Boba holder with additional/optional charms. Okay, let's get started. What you'll need is scissors, a stitch markers, a 4mm hook, and a 1mm hook, and a crochet needle. This yarn I'm using is from 𖧷𖧷𖧷𖧷𖧷😉. It has 20 grams of yarn and is a weight tube. The colors are an ivory and old rose pink. First, we're going to start off with a slip knot. Then you're going to chain 42. After chaining, you're going to slip stitch the two ends together. Yarn over and chain 3. Pull through the next chain. We will be making a puff/bean stitch. Yarn over and pull through the same chain. Yarn over again and pull through. You should have a total of 6 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Slip stitch at the top. Skip the next chain. Repeat pulling through the chain 1 time and yarning over and pulling through the chain, repeating that 2 times until you have 6 loops on your hook. Remember to slip stitch at the top and repeat until the end of the row. At the end of the row, you're going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 3, chain 3 again, and continue bean/puff stitching for the rest of the row. Starting in the next stitch, you're going to create a bean stitch. Skip a stitch and create in the next stitch a puff stitch and repeat. At the end of the 4th row, you're going to slip stitch, cut, and secure your work. This is how it should look. For the hanging strap, begin a slip knot. And chain roughly 19 inches unstretched. Begin bean stitching in the 4th chain from the hook. Repeat skipping a chain, bean stitching, skipping a chain, and bean stitching until the end of the row. Here is how it should look once it's finished. Tie off and secure your strap. Now we're going to sew both ends of the straps to your cup cozy. Now we're going to make the mini Sakura. Switch to a 1mm hook. Now you're going to grab 2 strands of lace white yarn. Create a magic circle. Chain 1. Create 10 single crochets inside your magic circle. After your 10 single crochets, you're going to tighten your magic circle. Slip stitch while feeding in your pink yarn. Chain 2. Yarn over and create 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Then you're going to do 1 double crochet and then 2 half double crochets again. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, slip stitch, and then repeat again 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet and 2 half double crochets until the end of the row. At the last petal, finish your last slip stitch, cut and secure your work. And you finish your first flower. Next up, the puffy flower. We will be using our 4mm hook again. Start off with a magic circle. Chain 3. Begin by yarning over, pulling through, yarning over again, and pulling through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Repeat this until you have 6 loops on your hook. Once you reach 6 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Then chain 3. Slip stitch and petal number 1 is finished. Chain 3 again and repeat steps for petal number 1 for petals 2, 3, 4, and 5. After your last petal, tighten your magic circle, then tie off and secure your flower. Push through each petal for maximum puff. You can either use beads or crochet a tiny ball for the center. After attaching your ball, sew the back sides together. And you're done! Here I just created a chain and placed all my charms onto it. Then secured it onto one side of the holder. This part is optional, but you can also add some jewels. I just attached some string with some jewels at the bottom. Then you're finished with your handmade boba holder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!